Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about basics, and this is my second video. I'm Shubhang here, and let's get started. So, in this video, I'm gonna tell you something that can make your smartphone experience a bit better and a bit more optimized. So for that, before going to the main part, I wanted to tell you that while scrolling between apps on most Android smartphones, you do it something like this, just by swiping left and right. But some people might feel a bit difficulty in doing that. So to make it more easier, you can instead use an app drawer which makes your experience far better. You can just access all the apps by doing an up swipe. In the normal smartphones, you'll get something like this if you do an up swipe. It opens your browser, but that's not required for us. We have to use an app drawer and make our experience better. So for that, we'll have to install something called as a POCO Launcher, which will make your experience very good, and also install an app drawer on your phone. So for that, first you'll have to open the Play Store to install the POCO Launcher. Open the Play Store and search for POCO Launcher. I already have it in history. I'm not going to do that again. POCO Launcher, and install the app. It might be 9 MB or somewhat. It's a really small app. There's some problem with my internet. Sorry for that. Wait till it gets downloaded. This app is also uh, powered by the Xiaomi company. It is developed by them. It's a great app, and you can make your phone really well customized or optimized to be clear. Wait for it to get downloaded. The network is really slow. Sorry for that. Yeah. The app is being installed now. It might take a while. Till then, please go down and subscribe and hit the bell icon by the time it gets installed here. Yeah, it got installed, scanning for some virus and all that. Wait for that. It's done. Open. We're opening up the app now. We have the POCO branding at the top, and it asks for the selection of the wallpaper. Here it is your choice. You can have anything there. And then the second step is to agree these privacy policy and the user agreement, and then apply. And then allow the POCO launcher to access photos. Yes, you have to allow it because it has a hold on your device and it requires that. So now you'll have to set your POCO launcher as a default launcher for your device. For that, select remember my choice and then click on POCO launcher. Now your default launcher is set to POCO launcher, and your mobile experience will be far better than before, is what I feel. You can access the app drawer now. Just swipe up and you get all these apps done here. You can customize them as well. Like you can put 5 apps in a row and reduce it, make it a bit small. Apply. And then I guess it is far more better, and I also think you people agree to my statement. If not, please comment in the section below. And any other suggestions or any other thoughts, please tell in the comment below. And also tell me what you want next in the upcoming videos. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Thank you.